Play with the flu like I'm Mike. Scoreboard on my bullshit like Jordan is. Up like an ornament, cash in the audience. Money bags on the way.
Early on a Tuesday morning, and y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. You know about the videos. You know that there's way too many videos. And you know that whenever you check the channel, you know what I'm saying, no matter what week, month, year,
Hadouken!
yo, you're guaranteed to see another video. That man's like, YBN, Almighty J.
2 phones flip, 2-tone drip. I got the plug on speed out. Racks on the floor like Newtown.
And he's trying to rebuild his street credit, bro. Because the last time we talked about YBN Almighty J, the man got
Sonic Boom! Tiger!
in New York City, his chain got snatched, he got stripped, and he had to run home naked.
Hadouken!
You know what I'm saying? That's the last we heard from YBN Almighty J. Now he's trying to get back his street credit. And he knows, you know what I'm saying, to rebuild your street credit, you can't just pick up a blicky and start getting sticky. You know what I'm saying? You can't just do that, bro. There's levels to this, you know what I'm saying?
Keep it on the high note. There's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble. Holla, bitch.
So he's taking the first step to rebuilding his credit in the 7-Eleven. And you guys let me know in the comment section below. Is this an L? Or is this a W, bro? Does this help his street credit a little bit? Does it show that he's a little bit down, you know what I'm saying, in the 7-Eleven to put in that work? Or is this just some waste man movements, bro? Check out what happened in the 7-Eleven. YBN Almighty J trying to rebuild his street credit by throwing a Slurpee.
What?
Yo, you're tripping. You're tripping.
Sonic Boom!
Bro, you're tripping.
So as you can see in the video, YBN Almighty J picked a fight, talking grimy about his shoes. YBN Almighty's like, oh, I don't like your attitude. I don't like your attitude. Bro, he wasn't giving you an attitude, bro. Man came over, just threw the Slurpee, bro.
Oh, yo, you're tripping. Oh, yo, you're tripping.
Is he gang banging on the keyboards or is he down? I just thought that was some waste man moves, bro, in my opinion. Like the video? Subscribe to the channel!
When you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell button. If you don't hit that bell button, you're not going to know exactly when this is going down.
Yeah!
Play with the flu like I'm Mike. Scoreboard on my bullshit like Jordan is. Up like an ornament, cash in the audience. Money bags on the way.